What's up guys, welcome to a Minecraft Xbox Edition, I don't know, just, I guess, what we'll be doing in Minecraft. This isn't temporary, the camera way it is. I have got a camera recorder to record my screen, which hopefully I can set up soon. Also, you know what skin I have? It's the End Dragon. It's pretty awesome. The wings move. I don't really rotate it, but... Okay, so, really what I'm going to be doing is doing a Let's Play building series, and here's about it, and maybe skin or super packs, because I got, well, not really skin super packs, but you know, something like that. But I'm gonna build a random house just to start off the oh, I hate the way it does that. I'm just gonna build like a random house. So one crazy one, I don't know. Okay, you're wondering that hovering, that noise, it's my Xbox, it's like glitching out. Okay. So I do this, like so. I go. So I'm really, well, I'm not alright builder. I'm not like, so these videos, well, these building ones will probably be longer than this place, unless this place is really important, which is possible. But why I'm doing this instead of Minecraft P right now is because Minecraft P doesn't have most of the stuff in here, like wolves, cats, and the mushroom biome. Hopefully they add soon. I mean, I'm still waiting for that. Okay, this house is pretty original, like every other house could be. Just gonna finish the roof here, like so. Pretty simple. So I'm trying to type it a little bit because it's taken quite a while. I know the camera's like crud, but we'll have to do. There's actually music on this, unlike the other thing. Oh crap, I forgot that doesn't work because I'm not unmodded survival. Dang it. Wait, will this work? That's weird. What can I decorate the wall with? Oh dear. Yeah, that's better. It's probably getting really boring because you've probably seen over 1 million houses we built before, so probably know what this is going to be like. But if you want to see more videos of me going to a fin, you can comment down below because it's kind of just lying. And there's going to be the floor, and you can't see anything really. Also, if any subscribers have Xbox, you should probably check out my stuff. And now we need to get doors, which aren't even the right place. Is that? Yeah. Where did I get through? try to fast as I can here. Just because. Okay, just like so. You guys probably can't see a thing. I don't know why I see clouds out. Just got a torch. And an enderman just spawned in. I don't know if you saw that, but if you did, then there's something up there. Doing the easy roofs, just because I really got a lot of time here. Like so. There we go. I'll just put torches up on the sides. And this, I wish we could be able to just put random strand like torches all in the house. Because that's basically my, that's the back. That's basically my house. That's not one of my best houses. If I spent more time in that, I'll probably like the details stuff anyway, but not now. So, hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, and you want to see more, then comment down below. I'm actually enjoying flying. It's pretty awesome. But yeah, comment down below to see more, and I leave you with Starring Contest and Iron Dragon. That's weird. Okay, so, peace out.